Hi everybody, Kathy here, and today we are doing all about that base, no trouble, and we're going to be using a layout base that I created in one of my videos, which I'll put the link down below that you can see how it came together. I'm actually going to use this base here with these flowers that I've created by using die cuts and inking them to give them some depth and some outlining, and I'm using 3 photos from my daughter's wedding of the groom with the snake around him that they had during the reception part afterwards, after the actual wedding. So I know that sounds really strange, but my daughter and my son-in-law, they got married at a wildlife sanctuary, and for one of the photo opportunities they brought out the diamond python, and that's where these photos came from. So I'm using this base that I created in the preparation for this event for Ginger's All About That Base Hop, and it is coming together very, very easily, as you can see. Because of the papers and the busyness of the flocking down there in the corner, I don't have to do too much to make this layout pop and look fantastic for a wedding album. So as I said, this is my son-in-law, and he is dressed in black with the red brocade. As you can see, I've got the black papers here in the background with the cream colour that's picking up the colours in the background of the photos. And of course the diamond python has got the creamy colour through its patterns on its skin. So I had this little quote that says breathtaking. Of course it's a breathtaking when you're holding a snake and it's crawling all over you. So this is what I thought of as being a great caption for these photos. So I'm popping them up with a bit of foam tape here. That's always great when you're putting a title in. It makes it stand up off the page, adds some dimension and some depth to your layout. Now I'm just going to layer up these photos to create my flower clusters. Now I do have that flocking flower cluster at the bottom, but that is part of the paper. So these red and black ones are just contributing to building up that image right across the page. So I'm just layering them in. I have 2 in there. I have the single 3 here on the photo, and I'm going to just put those down with some glue to adhere them into place. And what I had done was I cut them out from scraps on dies, and then I use white inking it's the Tim Holtz Distress Ink picket fence, and I highlighted around the edges while curling them up to give them some depth. And that's how you make them get that little 3D effect on the layout. Now that they're all in place, I've got these say in crystals, little gemstony, rhinestoney stickers, which I'm putting into the center of the flowers, and they are a creamy color, so they blend in nicely with my paper choices here on this layout. The beauty of preparing a base beforehand, you don't have to do so much work. It's already done for you, and all you're really doing is just layering in your photos and whatever embellishments that you want to add. So this is a very simple layout. It's using 3 photos. It is taking your eye around the page because of that black flocking down there in the corner, and also because of the bright reds in the photos, so that it's drawing your eye around. Now, of course, you're going to look at these photos because of the snake, because it too adds and contributes to the uniqueness of this layout. And I think that the diamond paper at the bottom complements that snake skin beautifully. So that's where I've used my photos here to pick up the features of this layout and make it special. Nice and easy, great way to use a base. Here it is all up close and personal. You can see there the flowers with the different elements to it. Those flowers are just added beautifully into there, and they even look like the flowers on that top rosette page. So have a great look at the playlist down below. I'm giving all credit to Ginger for putting this challenge out for us here in November. Here's my layout with the base that I started. Nice and simple. Have a go at preparing some bases and then see what you can create with your photos from what you have sitting around. Remember, Don't forget to check out the playlist, give everybody a thumbs up. Hopefully I've done enough to make you give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers who keep coming back. I really do appreciate it. I'm Kathy. Check out my next video recommendation for you. Happy scrapping till next time.